Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this solar candy stick. This is perfect for a gingerbread house or just by your front door or yard. This one, I made these pillars a while back. You guys absolutely loved it. And of course, if you missed out on that video, I will put the link down in the description box for you. But did I mention that the candy stick that I made today, I made it using all Dollar Tree items and it costs maybe around $2.50, but without further ado, let's get started. We are going to start off with half of a pool noodle. We're going to go in with white. You can go ahead and pick any color. If you can't find white, you can get red and use white duct tape or not ribbon. After I made this video, I realized this is going to be outside and maybe we shouldn't have used ribbon. So please be sure to use duct tape. That way if it rains, everything will be fine. But yeah, so I was saying if you can't find the white one, go ahead and pick up the red one and use white duct tape instead. I'd like to also mention to please ignore my gross nails. Some of them fell off and the others are still deciding. So yeah, so please ignore that. But before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. And be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified when I upload my mailbox. That's right, I'm working on a Christmas mailbox, like sending letters to Santa kind of mailbox, like a full-size mailbox. Yes. Got it? Okay, click that bell. Thank you. Now we're done wrapping our pool noodle. We're gonna take this solar light from Dollar Tree, and this looks like a little light bulb. They come in different colors. I think it's like yellow, red, green, and probably blue, but we're going to use that that pick that it comes with, and we're going to glue it into the pool noodle, and we're going to use that to put it into the ground. So just bear with me. I'm going to glue the silver part onto the plastic part itself. You can do this using hot glue or E6000, and then we're going to glue the silver part onto the pool noodle, like inside of the pool noodle. Now you can make tons of these and put them out in your yard and maybe connect them with lights running from one to the other. Yeah, so the ideas are endless with this. So you can go ahead and put one in your yard or plenty of them, and it's solar. So best part is you don't need to turn on any lights or anything or any switches. And obviously we're going to take the bulb now and we're going to glue that onto the top part of the pool noodle. And that's pretty much it. We're done. You only needed a few items to create this or make this, and be sure to stay tuned for that mailbox that I told you about. It's gonna take some time, but I should have the video within like 2 days or something. But yeah, so what do you guys think? Here's how it looks like in the dark. And yeah, so this was a super easy project to make, but I want to hear from you. So be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. And I love you all. Bye.